BLT burgers. Hello, bacon. I'm cooking bacon. It's not quite done yet. It's really close. I'm gonna spin the tray. It needs like 1 or 2 more minutes. Guys, when we cook bacon, always, always, always on a wire rack or tray that drains on a sheet pan. We bake our bacon so it doesn't make a mess of our stove and so it doesn't curl up. We want to keep the bacon flat and we want it to cook evenly and until it's super crisp. We're almost there. We're like a minute, minute and a half away. You can cook it about 375, 400. It's kind of perfect, and I leave the rack at the center of the oven. For the burgers, I'm keeping this one real simple. I like to cook burgers a la plancha or on a flat surface always, okay? So I have my own cast iron skillet, getting nice and hot, and then we're going to spray the pan. We always make our patties a little bit thinner at the center than the edges of the patties themselves. It all has to go in at the same time, gang. And then once we put it in there, do not touch. You have to let this get nice and crusty. What makes a great crust on a burger? Kosher salt and coarse black pepper. That makes a delicious crust. But we have to give that time to cook. You want a reddish brown crust before you ever touch that burger or flip it, okay? For most of us, this will cook 7 or 8 minutes, turning occasionally. If you want this burger to be well done, it will cook about 10 minutes, turning occasionally. It was left to me, and I burned quite a few rolls. So I have a brioche roll here, and that's why they burn a little bit quicker. They're filled with butter. So before we build the burger, we're gonna let the burgers rest a minute. I took the bacon out of the oven. You can see it there on the stovetop. Super crispy. Now, to this sauce, all I've added is the sour cream base, thinned it out a bit with some buttermilk, a little salt and pepper, and I added a little Worcestershire. Now, John wanted the OMG. This is ground onion, mustard, and garlic all combined together. The crowning jewel of this is that we're making a blue cheese sauce. So we're adding in a good solid 3/4 of a cup or about 6 ounces of crumbled blue cheese. This is smoked blue cheese. So we're gonna take a little bit of onion and pickle and make a little layer. Then we're gonna take one of our patties, pop that down, and it's a BLT, right? Now, when I put bacon on a burger, I like it to cross the entire patty. So I slice the bacon in half. I cook 8 slices for every 4 burgers, and I slice it in half so every bite has the same amount of bacon, right? So bacon, oh, lettuce, sorry, buddy. I actually like lettuce on the top, I gotta say it, because that's where I put the dressing. Bacon, lettuce, and tomato on top of that delicious burger. And the glue is our very special sauce, our thick blue cheese. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's ridiculous. Our thick blue cheese sauce right up on top. There you go, kids. Oh my gosh.